For creating Google Map with driving directions from nearby places, this is the process. First, you have to log into a Gmail. Here in WowVisible, we have to use the wowvisible at gmail.com. Here it is, right? This one. And then the next thing here is you have to create a Google Map by going to the My Maps. Just search for My Maps. Then here it is, Google My Maps. You just click this to create a new map. Now I'll show you an example first. Under this Gmail of mine, you can see here sample of Google Maps with directions or driving directions. For example, this one. So this is it. Okay, you have here the driving directions from restaurants to the business, as you can see here, right? And then we have hotels and pubs. Okay, let me demonstrate to you how to create the map. Okay, you just click here, create a new map, and then put in here this one. You click that one, put in here the GMB category, the primary GMB category. Okay, so this is our, let's make use of this as our example. So let's find out the GMB category for this. We have, if you go to maps, then put in here the business name, and here you can see here. So you can see here the primary category, GMB primary category. So it's orthodontist, right? Okay, anyway, so let's put here orthodontist, and then in the description you put in here this one. Just copy this until the website. So basically it's enough information plus website. Okay, then click. Okay, next step is you have to find the business address of Widow Orthodontics. Here you just put in here. So we have to copy this address and then going back, put in here. So here it is, right? And then you must verify if the address is assigned to the business Widow Orthodontics. Here it is, right? Then you click here, add map or add to map. Okay, and then first you have to and then after that you have to edit, rename this, name this with the name of the business. Okay, so here it is. And then after that you have to edit further. Okay, you have to actually add here the, hold on, let's check here. Okay, so aside from that you have to rename also here the title, the business name, and then put in here the NAP information. Okay, you just copy this one actually. Okay, until this here, right? Then copy here, and then at the bottom put here the GMB describe, the business description and the categories. Let me show you an example. Okay, this one for example. Okay, so this is an all day strategy of us. So you just neglect this one, so it should be NAP plus, actually yeah, it's right, it's correct. Yeah, oh no, it's missing, there's no telephone number. It should be a complete NAP. Okay, so here you have to copy or you put in here the business description and then the GMB categories. Okay, put here the GM from the primary category and the other secondary categories. Actually you can refer to the business tab here. So you can see here the GMB categories. This deliverable is ahead of the offsite optimization. It's somewhere here, right? So, or else you will go to the GMB, right? So for example here, you can see there the categories. So this is a long process. You have to make use of the information being provided in this tab sheets, right? But I'll just show you where to find in case you need another option. So here it is, primary category, then the secondary categories. Okay, and then after that you have to, let's consider it's already, actually after adding the business description categories as well as here the NAP information, you have to add also here, so you can see minimum of 5 images, optimized images with geotags. So basically, based from the strategy here, it's already done here, the optimizing and geotagging photos. You can make use of this optimize and geotag photos and upload it to the Google Maps, right? So it's like this, right? You may include some videos if you would like. So how to do that? Just add image here, right? That's it. So we just add here. Okay, going back here. So let's there are already images added as well. So just click save. Now the next thing here is to add driving directions from restaurants, hotels, and pubs. So how to do that? You have to go to Google Map and find the business. Okay, the business is Vidal Orthodontics, google.com maps. Okay, you have to find it, making sure it's the right GMB page, right? Make it sure, so you can clarify that, that you can verify that with the address, right? So the address must be the same. Yeah, right. Then or else you have to go here to check. Okay, so here it is, right? This is correct, GMB. Then what you're going to do is to click nearby. So you're going to the restaurant first, nearby restaurants. Then here it is, just choose three for restaurants and 3 for hotels and 3 for pubs. Okay, then this is your guide. So you just search this, go here, click add directions. Okay, then it should be here from point A, then here it is, then from that restaurant going to the Vidal Orthodontics. Okay, we have already added that, and then proceed to the next. Going back here, this one, right? Then add another direction here. Okay, so add here. Okay, here it is, right? Make it sure this is the correct one. West, there are 2, right? So you can clarify that. Westminster. Hold on. Here it is. Okay, this is the correct one. Then going to the business, Vidal Orthodontics. Okay, so that's it. You add 3 restaurants, and then once done, then you may proceed to the hotels, back to resort. Okay, then nearby hotels. Okay, the same thing. Exclude. Don't add the ads here. Exclude this. You skip those. Then, for example, this one. Okay, you have to add this here. Okay. So again, three restaurants, three hotels, and three. Hold on. Let's go back here. Okay, bars and pubs. Okay, just three for each. Okay, just like this example, right? So total driving directions would be 9, right? 3 times 3, 9. Okay, so that's how simple it is. One more thing, make this Google Map public. You have to go to share, and then you click this public. Okay, then close. If you will not do that, just like this example, it's private, so it's not viewable publicly. So again, to make it public, you have to click the map, or and then click share, then click public. Okay, to make it public. So going back here, you can see it's now public, right? Okay, that's it.